Hello everybody, it is David Dustmann, and today I want to talk about the USDA Home Loan Guarantee. Now I'm going to be talking specifically about the guaranteed loan and not the direct loan. There is a difference between the two loan programs. This is the one that you can obtain through most lenders or banks or credit unions if they do them. So let's talk about some of the benefits of the USDA loan program. And so most people understand that the USDA loan program is for rural development. So it's designed to be able to help people maintain residence in these rural communities. So they do some things that we're going to help them out. And first thing that they help overcome, of course, is down payment by offering 100% financing. Now remember, the property still has to appraise, but you can finance 100% of the purchase price. It does allow for the loan guarantee fee to be rolled in, which is nice, so you're not having to pay that out of your pocket, and it has a very low mortgage insurance factor in compared to some other loan programs. Now it does have some strange quirks that you do need to know about. And for example, first and foremost, it's got to be in an eligible location. So whenever you're going to do a USDA loan, you'll actually be able to tell whether or not the property is in an eligible location by putting the address into the USDA property location. You put it in and it's going to pin it there and tell you whether or not it's eligible for USDA financing. Now that doesn't mean that if it's in there, you're good, because you still got to talk about income. The USDA loan does have some income restrictions, and those vary by county. So for example, in Oklahoma, from county to county, you may see some variation. So what impacts that is your household size, how many people and how many household members are in there, and then it takes the entire income of the whole household in consideration. So that can also be done online. So a lot of times people can kind of get an idea of what they're looking at. I always encourage you to go ahead and start with the lender, because we're going to knock out the income information first. We're going to know whether you qualify, because it's really important to understand what goes in that calculation. There are some things that can come out of that, and there's a little bit of room in there for some other stuff, but it's really important to make sure you do that right. And then of course the address, that's the pretty simple part. You pop that in and it tells you whether or not you're in an eligible market. So there is sometimes a little bit of confusion on the USDA loan, because people think that it's a program that's designed for starting a farm or ranching, or I'm going to have 10 horses or 5 cows, things like that. And then guys, you have to understand that this program is not designed for agricultural purposes. This is a residential loan, and so that's its main focus. There are going to be some land limits, so you can't have 150 acres or anything like that. And of course, typically with the income limits and stuff like that, you're not going to be able to quite purchase that much anyways. So I would love to share more information about the USDA loan with you. If you would like more information on it, please reach out to us. We'd be happy to give you some links and program guidelines. The USDA program, it's a great program. I mean, like I said, there's not a lot of programs out there that offer 100% financing. This is one of the few that are left. So if you'd like more information on the program, please reach out to me. My name is David Dustmann, and I look forward to answering any questions you might have. And of course, my compliance department is going to want me to put this disclosure in there, so let's drop that. There we go. Guys, have a great one. Thank you. Bye-bye.